Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today we're going to talk about this. If this is your first time in my channel, I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. I got 3 390s, twin turbos, 32 Skyline, hard body. I recently bought an S15 Sylvia, which is one of my dream car. Now I have the whole lineup of 90s Nissan legendary JDM. Anyway, it's winter, the cars are sleeping, they're all hibernating. The basement bed is full of car parts, so those things, except that is not a car part. Most of those will go in my R32. So those videos are coming in. But this is the winter time where a lot of us enthusiasts, we basically buy stuff and prepare for the spring and the summer coming in. Now, this company reached out to me and wanted me to do a review of their product. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm not getting paid for it, so this will be an honest review. I got some time, so I'm gonna do some reviews. Why not? Okay, so first off, what I'm gonna say is this is, of course, it's made in China. Everything else is made in China. But this is not a cheap Chinese product. The weight of the device is pretty high. I'm gonna say it feels like a premium device. That's all I'm gonna say. So now let's try to get it out of the pack. Let's do it. 1, 2, boom. Okay, so it's turning on. It actually has battery power, which is for a device this price point, having a battery power, it's actually pretty good, because I also have an auto device handheld. It does not have battery power. You have to connect it to the vehicle to get the battery power. So as I said, it's a premium feel device, and it is a premium device. It's a soft rubber material all around, so being a car enthusiast or a mechanic, you know, it's okay to drop it, I guess. Inside the box there was this wire for it, USB-C to a regular USB, and it goes in right at the bottom. That's where the USB-C option, and it also has a space for a memory card, so you can actually expand memory. So in terms of features and whatnot, it does have all kinds of you know, it will read the code, clear the code, freeze frame, emissions readiness, DTC lookup, live data, O2 sensor test, onboard monitor test, EVAP system test, and general vehicle information. Now, it also, you can buy another package, just a software update. It will cost you about 40 US, and that will add engine ECM, airbag, TCM, and ABS additions, which are, if you think about it, I saw the price for this between like $50 to $60 between Amazon and a bunch of other websites, and then you add another $40 and you actually get a pretty decent scan tool. Now let's peel up the sticker, because this is also touchscreen. Like, it's just a lot of features that's offered in here in that price point. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, I guess there's this screen protector they want us to peel off. I'm gonna ignore that part. All right, now yeah, let's plug it in and let's see how that works. Sorry, we gotta finish the installation first. So OBDII next. Yeah, 4-inch. Yeah, welcome to. You guys can freeze the video and read it. Man, this is actually pretty cool. Next. Ooh, okay, that is actually pretty cool. Yeah, see, this is the package I was talking about. That's probably the $40 one. 100% battery. Okay, before we go to the car, I just wanted to show you the pin. That's the serial port pin. The reason I wanted to show you this pin is one of the telltale sign of an OBD reader that will read all the functions is when you look at the pin, it has all the pins. Some of the more entry-level devices won't have all of these pins. Some of them will be missing some of them. It's just there's no need for that pin because the device can't read that function. So seeing all of this pin here, it tells me this device is actually pretty powerful. Definitely more powerful than the auto device I have. Okay, it's just plugged in. Auto test. Okay. Seems like it's a pass. Go back. Live stream. That is okay. First of all, another one I'm gonna say, this is a pretty fast system. This is a pretty fast system. Usually they take a little bit of more time. Oh, engine coolant temperature. Gotta change that. Yeah, you can. Oh my god, that's a lot more sensors than I was thinking. I'm just saying that's a lot more sensors that I thought this vehicle has. Okay, going back. Read codes. That is fast, man. Holy, that is fast. Okay, man, that's interesting. This is the one I was talking about. T-code exchange or buy. Let's buy. Okay. Oh, hold on a second. Settings. Screenshots. Photo album. It can connect to Wi-Fi. Wow. Okay, Wi-Fi, screen recorder. You know what? You don't find these things in an entry-level unit. So I will tell you right now, if you go to, forget Snap-on. Like, Snap-on it's a fantastic company and whatnot, but it's just so expensive. If a lot of car enthusiasts, they usually go to an Autel, and you are not gonna get these in Autel within $100 range. If you go towards a $140 or $150 range, yeah, you will get them. But where this device is and the price point this device is at, very good price point. All right, it's dark again. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. To the producers or the manufacturers of this device, first of all, a huge thank you for sending it to me for me to review. I think you guys made a cracker of a device. It offers a lot of value for the price point that you guys are offering, and this is just my honest opinion. You guys didn't pay me anything, you just sent me a free device, which I appreciate it, and I appreciate that. And yeah, I think it's for a regular car enthusiast, I think it's a very good device for that price point. It does a lot for that price point, and I don't think you guys will be disappointed. Hit the bell notification and subscribe button. There are a couple of other suppliers that I'm talking with, expecting devices or samples to come in for me to test, and yeah, we'll keep you guys posted.